Kungaloosh, folks. I am back, and I am here to show you something that's been actually driving me a little crazy. I saw this recipe online that was very, very simplistic, and it just needs like all the ingredients I have here, including a mixing bowl and an oven. It doesn't make any sense. When I saw the recipe, it's like, what? You just need 3 things. All you need is an egg, 1 single egg, sugar, and I'm using no-calorie sweetener, and peanut butter. You probably don't need 4 pounds worth, but the more the merrier, I guess. So back to by how simplistic all this is, it really threw me off because I'm not a chemist and I'm not really a baker, but I do know you need more than a few things to make a thing. Hey Alexa, what are the key ingredients for baking?
Here's a summary from all recipes. 9 essential ingredients every baker needs. Flour, leaveners, sugar, salt, dairy, fats, oil, and shortening.
I have no idea how this is going to go. It's either going to be a roaring success, or it's going to be something out of the slime factory. But let's see what we get. So this recipe was so simple, I was able to write the whole thing down on a single square Post-it note, and I was able to write big with my left hand, so just boom, boom, boom. I guess let's go ahead preheat the oven to 350. Let's start there. We're going to start with half a cup of sugar. That's it. Now our 1 single egg. Hey, look at that. No shells. And I don't know if anybody else does this. This is something I learned. When you throw these cracked shells in your trash, after a few hours, it can stink up your trash can. I just drop them right back in. And since they're cracked, I know it's been used. And what I do is I stick the whole thing, uncracked shells and everything, back in the refrigerator. And it prevents the kitchen from stinking. Should wash the egg off my hand. Alright, the next part is the peanut butter. I've never scooped peanut butter before, so I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. Let's see, I need a whole cup of peanut butter. That's a lot of peanut butter. Oh, that's creamy scoop. Okay. Creamy scoops pretty well. Okay, so we just gotta do that, I don't know, 7 more times? We're gonna eyeball this. It's not gonna be perfect. Alright. I'm gonna say that's a cup. I got like 100 of these hard plastic spatulas. I figured that'd probably be the best thing to get the peanut butter out of the measuring cup. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Got almost all of it in 1 scoop. Alright, so before I start digging in with all this, one of the other steps is to line the pan with parchment sheets. Now, I don't use these things a whole lot, so I'm not really familiar with them. Usually I just grease the pan and just move on with my life, but it says use parchment sheets, so let's follow the directions. Oh, look at that. Oh! That'll cover the whole pan. 1 sheet. Get all that excess peanut butter off. Ooh. What? Let me take my ring off. That way I don't accidentally bake it in with it. I guess just mix it all around, and of course it's sticking to my fingers. This was a mistake. This is why you need flour. Otherwise this happens. This doesn't look right. Does not look right. What have I done? Where have I gone wrong in my life? A lot stickier than I was anticipating. The next step is to ball onto the baking sheet. This isn't how you cook. I guess we'll just do like one of them? Sure. If anyone has done this before, please let me know what I'm doing wrong, because it feels like this is nothing but wrong. Julia Childs is rolling in her grave if she made cookies. I think we have enough for one more, maybe? This is insane. Oh my God, if this works. If this works. This is not how you cook. Maybe it is how you cook. I don't know. I don't know. This is nuts. All right, I gotta wash this off. All right, so as you can see, I have what could be up to 9 cookies here. One of the instructions says to fluff with a fork. Now I know as soon as this touches, it's just gonna stick and go all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna grease the back of this fork. And hopefully I'll be able, hey, that kind of works. Yeah, there we go. It's not pretty, it's not perfect, but there we go. Oven is ready. Let's get that in there. Slide it in and cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, sure. So while that's going, let me ask you guys real quick, like, tell me in the comments what your favorite baking good is. Cookies, cakes, pies. Who doesn't love pie? Come on. Tell me what you like down below. And actually, while that's going, I just want to give a quick little shout out to my Patreon supporters. You guys, thank you so much for all your help and everything. You have been so supportful to the point where you have no idea, and it's going to pay off. I'm actually going to put the funds you guys have been giving me to use. That's coming up pretty soon, sometime this summer, I promise. I'm just wasting time now. Oh, hey. Let's see how this monstrosity turned out. Wow. Look at that. They look super soft. We're gonna let them cool for a minute or two. All right, let them cool for a minute. Look at them, they're pretty firm. And they didn't just spread out like I thought they were going to. They actually stayed pretty much in their spot. I mean, obviously none of them touch each other. So let's try this guy right here. All right, here we go. Dang nabbit, that shouldn't work. But it worked. Wow. It's a little crumbly, but that's a peanut butter cookie. That's amazing. I'm angry about this. I'm angry. This shouldn't work, but it does. Holy crap. It's a cookie. It's ugly, but it's a cookie. Simplistic, kind of low carb, peanut butter cookies. It's amazing. I'm going to make these for guests when they come by. Thanks for watching, guys. Give these to my kids. See if they like them.